Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back to Suburban Homesteader, Wyoming, Arizona. And you're right, I am hot. It must be about 100 degrees in here. I'm in the hoop house, the little greenhouse, and you can see this, the sunscreen, but I took the plastic because it was ripped down. It doesn't really matter because I'm just planting in here today. I had really had my greenhouse being just a catch-all for things when I moved my art stuff into the shed. So I have been spending the days cleaning out, deciding what to keep, and I did store all this stuff. So there's buckets and lids and pots and covers, row covers, all kinds of stuff, and there's a fan up there that's running too. But I thought I'd show you a little bit of what I'm doing. I'm planting flowers and plants in here. Actually, not vegetables. It's almost into July. Tomorrow's my birthday. Yay! Don't forget Monday Night Live is my birthday celebration, and some fun things happening that night, so make sure you come over. Oh, my hair is crazy. So I'm gonna flip the camera and I'm going to let you see what I'm planting. So just beautiful stuff. This side I haven't started planting at all. But there's like Gerber daisies, there's ferns, there's grasses, there's spikes. Just some fun things. Now of course I have flowers because I want the pollinators to come in, because they can come in. And canna lilies and lilies, and I'll show it to you in a minute when I get all the way planted. Now one thing about this, I haven't watered in here since last year, because nothing was in here. It was just tables and stuff stored from my shed. So I got to dig down. I mean, it's not too bad, you know, really. There's some spots that are harder than other spots. But I'm just going to take my time. I'm going to plant and see how beautiful I can make this. Now some of the things are going to flower, so I'm going to clip all those off also, but not until after I water really well. I'm set that plant in there, and I'm just going to push that soil back in around it. And I'll water everything in really well. And it's just going to be a fun time in the greenhouse. Now, none of these things will survive winter. I'd like to think they would, but really they won't. I'll cover them with a couple layers of garden cloth. And like if these spikes, if you grow these, you can bring them inside and they'll grow inside all year, and then you can plant them back outside. But I'm down in Arizona, so I'm just going to cover them and see if anything survives, but more than likely not. So I have it all planted. I love it. I'm going to bring a table and a little chair in here so I can sit, have a cup of tea, and I'll give them a few days. I'll trim off any flowers that they have that I don't really want them to flower yet. And I think I'll really enjoy it till we leave for Arizona.